Welcome back to the channel. We're here with little daughter and we're at the farm again. It is the next week on. Ignore how gappy my fringe is. And we are gonna start working, or Sam's gonna be starting working, I'm just gonna hear filming, on his class 2. I just thought again I'd bring you along. It's gonna be a recurring theme. I'm just gonna probably waffle on like this for a bit, but yeah. But yeah, Georgie's all cute and snuggly. You're so cute. Yes, you are. One tooth wonder. So Sam's engine is currently I don't know where it is, not here, and it's being built. So once that's back, obviously he'll be able to put that back in. I think he's sticking with the same colours, but yeah, I'll bring you along. Welcome, Sammy. Yeah, you.
Yeah, thank you.
Coming. I've got some snacks, by the way. I got a Squares bar and these little fruit things, and I got a Monster, so if you want something you can have something. Aww, she's a little baby, a little doggy. Have a little sniff. Aww, when? Aww, good girl, boo. Oh, she gave me my little kiss. And he's like, good boy. That's me. Good boy. No. Alright, I'm coming now.
WD-40.
Sam's tried 3 cans of WD and apparently none of them work. Next one.
I'm running out here.
Oh, is there any in the car? Oh, this is all our camping gear from last year. Oh, there's 3 up there. Okay, good. So we'll use them.
So I'm changing my axle today because I decided to plough into a fence and absolutely fuck it. It's held in with 4 arms. Once you get all this shit off. Well, yeah, 2 arms this side, 2 arms the other side. 1 arm to stop the axle from leaning back, and the other one to stop it from going side to side. So they are.
I'll put the video in of Sam ploughing into the fence here, by the
you.
way. You're welcome.
How good of a driver I am. But yeah, these are super common for seizing in and not coming out, so I can't wait to try these. Because if they don't come out, they're typically a pain in the arse.
Oh, brilliant.
And we've got some poly bushes to go in, so we're allowed to poly bush the back.
Why only the back?
Don't really know.
Well,
It's a bit of a weird rule if you ask me.
yeah, that is a weird rule.
Because the bushes are really hard to get, so
Oh.
just let people get poly bush.
Yeah, I was going to say, if it's that difficult anyway, like, why would you not just let people poly bush it?
They're going to soak these quick.
Yeah. This is how dirty it is. Sam hasn't cleaned his car since when he crashed into a barrier. So there's an awful lot of dirt. So he's just trying to soak them all with WD.
Can we just say, during the amount of contact you get through the air, and I crashed it into a barrier on my own.
Doing well. Oh, I'm just finished eating.
Hello.
So I'm going to be videoing Sam's class 2 build today. So I won't do too much filming on my own, but I'll put a link below to go watch this video. He's going really in depth about what he's doing, and he's going to be like documenting his whole build, which hasn't really been done on YouTube before. So I thought it would be a good idea for, well, he thought it would be a good idea to just film it.
Oh.
So if you want to see most of it, we're not showing everything because you've got to be a little bit secretive. But if you want to see most of it, follow his channel. He'll be doing his class 2 build. But yeah, today I'm just being camera woman. He's on the phone. Anyway, see you in a sec. But he basically had a crash, and he is now trying to fix the axle from last year and change it. But yeah, again, go over to his channel, watch the whole build, and you'll be able to see everything that he's doing to get his class 2 ready for the next season.
Glad you're out.
The amount of dirt that is just coming off as he's hitting it is ridiculous. But Junior's got a new car. It's time to go see it.
Let's burn it.
Oh, I've already been burning it. It's not working.
It's trust me, it's not. It's not working.
Yeah, it does smell. Trust me, the shifter's like a cock in a shirt sleeve.
Oh, they all are, mate.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, those bushes.
Oh, let me just change gear.
Two? Oh, yeah, I got my own one. Oh, that is in the bag.
This is Junior's new skid whip. Oh, and 4-door gang. Yes. See. Oh.
Man, they're not falling out
They're
yet.
quite good actually.
BMW version.
Yep, that's the wrong engine.
Yep. Oh, what a cylinder.
The 1.28. Yeah, donut.
Junior's tradition every time he gets a new car is to come see us, so that's why he's just come and shown us his new skid car. But it's getting a bit cold now. My skid car. But yeah.
Oh, really?
It's cool that he's joined the BM gang. Little Doddy. All nice and warm. Anyway, yeah, we're going back to doing class 2 stuff now. So we've been here an hour and a half. And we've got 2 bolts have come out. Well, Sam's and Ryan's got 2 bolts out in the shop, which was really good. But we're now looking at ordering a pizza because it's really cold. Pizza and crap to them.
Is incredible.
The bushes out, we've got them.
Go get the thing out.
Finger thing out.
It's starting to get pretty cold now.
Fuzzy!
He's still enjoying your pizza, Ryan.
You're gonna burn the things out. You what?
You're doing it outside?
Yeah, you ain't doing it in there.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were doing it in here. That's why I was like, what? What?
It stinks quite bad.
Smoke storm.
Okay, go, go, go. Burn.
Uh-oh. That's the nut.
Well, that's melt it off.
Oh yeah. What's stopping?
Nothing at
I'd probably
all.
do that one till after.
Oh, you always do the worst first, back.
Yeah, but not run it.
Oh, I don't like this thing, do I?
One pizza.
This is the safest way to do it,
Fix it.
probably. Just melt it off. So we're well, this one was a bit different, but we're just melting the rubber bushings out. This one we couldn't get the bolt undone, so we just melted the head of the bolt. So, yeah. Easy. Yeah, if you just we've got new bushes, so just melt the old bushes out. It's the quickest way of doing it. You what?
I said let me do some zooming in because I don't want to get any closer.
Should probably have goggles on.
I mean, yeah, definitely next time, please have goggles on.
It won't be in it.
Well, they're not. But I mean, yeah, that is true.
It'll take an hour, not 3 hours.
Yeah. Basically. Oh, that's pretty.
So bright on the camera. Oh, there's like... Oh. There's like black stuff going everywhere.
Yeah, rubber. I think that should be okay.
I'm just going to warm my feet up.
So yeah, you just let that bush simmer for a minute, and then you give it a donk, and the bush should fall out.
Okay.
Rather than trying to worry about getting that out, just do this. It's so much easier. Probably not been simmered enough yet.
Oh, it's coming!
There you go.
I feel like this is something from Elden Ring. Like you're about to start making some crafty witchcraft
No.
thing.
Oh, the bush is up.
Half of the bolt is off. I can't remember the rest of it. See, once it's been on fire for a little while, it's just sort of grades and pulled apart.
That one's not cooked enough, Sammy.
I don't know. Middle time out.
If your mum saw this, she'd have a heart attack.
She watches my vlogs.
Oh. Hi Lee, shout out.
A football with it. Oh, man.
Maybe just
very much different shoes to what you're wearing.
yeah, I was gonna say Ryan said his nice shoes. You've got your boots on.
Melting.
It smells like drifting out here.
Yeah. Burning rubber. So that's the oxyacetylene,
Okay.
just to show you. And then this one just adds the other shit.
I don't like that one.
What?
It scares me.
That's the melt button. If you wanna
Oh,
cut through
that's
something.
so bright. Why am I looking at
Yeah,
that?
if you want to cut through something, you hold that down.
Okay.
And that will be like super. Like where that really bright bit is where you would put it on here to melt through it.
Okay.
Oh,
That's what I don't like.
what's wrong quiet?
I still don't like it. I don't care if it's quiet or not for you. I don't like it. Oh, it keeps going so dark because it's focusing on the flame.
Micro power.
I reckon your dad would love this piece of kit.
Yeah, I was going to say, I bet he would.
Yeah, what's all that about?
Oh, look, it popped out. That's sick.
There you go.
That's cool, that, wasn't it? Oh, well.
That was very satisfying, to be quite honest with you.
Look how big it is.
It's like a marshmallow.
Started.
So Sam's got some new bushes for them as well.
Roches.
Boches.
Roches.
Roches. Sam needs a new seat because this one is...
Apparently there's something wrong with that one.
This is not a legal seat anymore because it's not got any stamp or tags or anything on it. So this is now an illegal seat, which is annoying because obviously this is his seat that he's been using for a while, but
Literally,
yeah.
just rip it apart.
No.
Certified.
I was going to say, that's definitely not certified.
No, that's true.
Imagine when a girl works in a two, that'd get absolutely ruined.
Yeah, that would. Oh, this is so satisfying watching this go in like that.
Or watching things go in.
No, but just watching it slowly, like, so satisfying.
What was it?
Oof.
Hello. And he's run out of bushes.
Yeah, can you imagine like, oh.
Only sent me 7 out of 8.
Is it hard to find bushes?
They don't make these ones anymore.
They don't make them anymore?
No.
So how are you supposed to get them then?
Well,
These were the last ones in existence.
Oh. I don't understand then. So if you couldn't...
Jordan found them from somewhere.
Oh.
He got them off someone that brought some, and he had 2 pairs or 2 sets. And Luckily, Jordan messaged me and said, do I want a set? Because you can buy both.
The guy used to make them, and now he doesn't make them anymore.
Oh, that's really annoying. So all the people that need them
I
can't.
like it.
No, yeah.
Unlucky.
Ryan, have you got some?
No.
Oh.
I got whatever's on the back.
Oh.
I got like the bushes that came out. Are still really good.
To be fair, the ones we took out were good.
Yeah.
weren't they? Really.
Like these are probably just better for wear than actual rubber bushes.
Oh, right.
Polyurethane don't really wear out.
Yeah.
Not like a rubber bush does.
Yeah.
Because it's plastic.
Mm.
Or rubbery plastic.
Same.
We're there.
All done.
As long as you don't put two long ones on one side and two short ones on the other.
Acts like that.
Thanks anyway.
Bye. Thanks for the help.
Car flex.
Half flex, yeah, bro. Sunday,
We're off home.
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day. Say goodbye, Sammy.
Bye. My face is well dirty, look.